विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. मंगळारा बाल दिसा निमतान बाल भवनांत कार्यावळ जाली. ह्या सुवाळ्याक गोंयचे मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हजर आशिल्ले.
दोन्ही म्हणजे मस्त आणि शाणेपण. शाणे म्हणजे हुशार अशें गृहीत धरता, कारण गोंयांत कोंकणीन शाण्या अर्थाचो अर्थ एकदां वेगळो जाता. कसो वापरता ताजेर काही जाण खूब स्वताक शाणे समजता, कसो वापरलो जाल्यार चुकीचो जातलो. पण एखादो जेन्ना दुसरो म्हणटा एखादो मनीस भुरगो शाणो तेन्ना ही रिफर्स टू इन टर्म्स. त्यामुळे तसो हुशार आशिल्लो पण त्याच बरोबर मस्तोय आशिल्लो. मस्तेपण आनी हुशारपण ह्यो दोन गजाली एक्सक्लुझीव आसूंक शकता, वेगळ्यो आसूंक शकता. हें म्हाका दिसता खूब जाणांक लक्षांत येता. एखादो भुरगो मस्तो म्हणल्यार तो क्लासीक पयलो ते दुसरो येता अशें जायना. त्यामुळे दोनूय
दिल्लीत आसतना तुमकां गोंयची याद येताली सर, स्पेशली गोंयच्या नुस्त्याची. नुस्तें बी हांगासल्यान
नुस्तें जाय तितलें मेळटालें दिल्लीक. गोंयचें नुस्तें काही जाण म्हाका धाडून दिताले. त्यामुळे नुस्तें खावपाक नुस्तें कमी आशिल्लें अशें न्हय, पण ताका जो पळय गोंयच्या हांगाच्या मनशाचो ताका फ्लेवर जो लागता, आतांची टेस्ट ताका म्हणटा ती टेस्ट तुका दिल्लीक येना नासली. ती टेस्ट म्हाका दिसता गोंयांतूच येतली. हांगा तरतरीत रवा तळळेलो नुस्तें हॉटेलांत सुद्दां काही तरी टेस्ट वेगळी आसता, घरा खाल्यार वेगळी आसता. ती टेस्ट मेळना आसली इतलीच तक्रार आशिल्ली. नुस्तें भरपूर मेळटा.
बाल दिसा निमतान लायन्स क्लब बोगमाळे चिकलेन सांकवाळच्या अनाथ आश्रमाक खेळपाची सामग्री भेटयली.
And right now we are here at St. John's Convent. Here there are some orphans, like around 27 orphans are there, and students also primary students. So that comes to around 70 students. These children did not have a park. So as we always have our functions here, we at the Lions Club of Chikalin Bogmalo decided like we could donate them a park over here. They had a park which was totally destroyed and the children had no other place to play. We need to expose them outside. So this place is really a nice place, especially in this vicinity. There is no place for the children to come out and play.
person is a gift of God, a wonderful, marvelous gift. I am a gift, you are a gift, every person is a gift.
You are the rainbow of our life, full of promise for a better tomorrow. Hence, through this prayer service, we want to wish you the best of life and also ask God blessing on you.
Lion K. Thomas Arul is very perfectionist person, I can say. And as you see the park, you will come to know that he is really a perfectionist person, very calm and cool. So once again, I thank you, dear friends. We are also grateful to our President Lion Fiola Rego and her team for choosing our pre-primary or our institution for this to offer this special gift on the Children's Day. Jesus loved children very much. Chacha Nehru also loved children, as you have said. Just said, and our father founder also, our father, Reverend Father Faustino D'Souza, he loved children very much.
चांद्रावाडो फातोड्डा बाल दिसा निमतान वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी जाल्यो. ह्या वेळार थळावो आमदार विजय सरदेसाय हजर आशिल्लो.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई.
पिछले साल से आपने इस प्रोग्राम को और भी बड़े पैमाने में बड़े इसमें किया है, तो ये काबिल तारीफ है. दूसरी बात, फिनिक्स क्लब जो मुसलमान का क्लब कहलाया जाता है, वो क्लब ने इस प्रोग्राम को ऑर्गेनाइज करके तमाम हिंदू, क्रिश्चियन, मुसलमान बच्चों को लेके ये जो प्रोग्राम बनाया है, मिनिस्टर साहब से कहना चाहता हूँ कि मुसलमान भी गोयकार और गोयकारपन में पीछे नहीं है, वो भी आपके साथ है.
Creation for people of all age groups, from children to senior citizens. Is the priority of this government and this council. I will see to it that the spaces are equally divided between those for senior citizens as well as for children. Today being Children's Day, we can announce that open spaces in each and every ward of the Margao Municipal Council, once identified and gifted to the council, will be taken up for development for as children.
तशेंच न्यू वाडे खासा भुरग्यां खातीर आशिल्ल्या इश्कोलाक बाल दिसाच्या मुर्तार नवी लिफ्ट भेटयल्या.
It's a school for the special children with special abilities. We have installed the lift today so that it will be easy for moving from ground floor to top floor. From the MPT side, we have given the building, and future we wanted to give some more assistance also to the school, infrastructure wise. Really, we have to appreciate the teachers and the management of the school. They have the patience in teaching the kids.
Ardix Goa, Bureau Report.